Hello my crafty friends, it's Amanda from Crafty Fit, and today I am going to be showing you guys a kind of like a kit that I put together. It's just a couple of things that I went through my stash, and I want to make some birthday cards as well as a couple birthday layouts and a couple other layouts I want to do this month and with other kits. So the whole month of July I kind of have been putting things together, and I have a big paper order that I made, and I want to use some of that as well as showing you that you can buy a couple of sheets of paper and a couple of stickers and make the page with your stash look so pretty. So that is one thing I want to do. Once I start going through, I kind of organize the papers a little bit better, but I do need to organize them a little bit more because I realize that I can't find some things. So organizing paper is going to be a must, and I have been kind of going through my stash and looking and seeing what I have as far as embellishments for birthday themes that match this collection. So I'm going to show you guys a couple of things, and the first thing I'm going to show you is the paper pads that I'm going to be using. And so this is the paper pads right here. And so this is the confetti. This is a hot buy. It is an old paper pad, but I love it. It's so bright. It's got some gold accents and just really cute pages. So I want to use that in conjunction with this kit from Let's Party. Ooh, as I make like a big mess and all of the stuff goes everywhere. There we go. So I did work on this kit for a little bit, but I actually want to make some other things with it and kind of use it up a little bit more. So I will be using some of this, but mostly this up, hopefully. I have some embellishments that I picked out. So I have like this, as I'm throwing things. Let me move this stuff out of the way. I have this birthday sticker, happy birthday. This is like an old sticker that I've had. I have these really cute, they're very thick though, balloons that I got from Hobby Lobby. I have these dolies. I believe these are tags. So I do want to use these up and try to use them on a card or as an embellishment. I have these stickers that you've seen in a recent haul, so I want to use some of these up. And I have two of these from the Hooray collection. This is the only thing that I have from this collection, so I do want to use some of these up as well. And then I have some thickers, just random thickers for birthday themes that I want to try to use. So, use up all that, as well as trying to use up some of my tools. So I do have this, what is it, Richard Gary? This is the stamp, and I think I got this from Tuesday Morning, but yes. Don't know who made this, but it's a Spellbinders die. But this is the Spellbinders, and it is Special Day and stamps as well. I probably won't use the stamps as much. I'm not big on stamps, I have to say that. So if anything, it would be just like this in black or gray. So I have that. And then I have this punch right here for balloons. So I kind of wanted to use some of this on a layout or a card. And then I thought that this looked really cute with the collection. I want to use some of my ribbon and trim. I used a couple of these on a card lately, and I just love it. So I do want to use this up or use some of it and make some things out of it. I don't know what I'm going to make, but I just want to use it up or use some of it. So that is my birthday kit that I put together. I will hopefully use some of this. I know I want to at least get out some birthday cards because I have been looking and I don't have any in my stash. I just made a whole bunch of Christmas cards and I feel like now I kind of need birthday cards and like thank you cards. And you will see in my other kit that I will share with you. I'm also going to try to make like thank you cards and thinking of you cards, just a whole bunch of different ones because I find myself in ones that are just blank. So alright, that is my kit. I hope you guys liked it. And I don't know if I'm going to be using all of this, but I'm going to be playing around a lot with this kit and a couple more for the month. And I'm just super excited. So I hope you guys stay tuned to see all my projects that I make. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!